All right, guys, we got a 2018 Ram 1500 Hemi, 5.7 liter, that he drove all the way from Arkansas, guys. So we really appreciate him being on our fan base. Factory converter there and there, wise into a single there, 3-inch pipe. Then we added 3-inch on it, added a FLOWMASTER 40 series, part number 430402. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 tailpipes out the back on each side with, and we kept the resonators on it. He didn't want it too loud. There and there. He wants to hear it only when he gets on it, and that's what will happen. And then we put the signature 5-inch roll tips on it by 18s, right there and right there, out the back. So it's a beautiful truck. We appreciate them coming down to us. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And there's the 2 tips we cut off. And there's the muffler we cut off right there. Muffler, tips. I replaced it and made it look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. Much better. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. He likes it. Here's sound decibels. Rev it. Right at 102. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Oh, it's so deep. It's a different setup than we usually do. We don't usually leave the resonators on. So FLOWMASTER 40 resonators, 5-inch tips. That sounds good. Nice idle to it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Kept the resonators, put 5-inch tips on it. Complete the sound. Sexy 5-inch tips. Look at that idle. Yeah! Hemi beast mode! That's perfect. Enjoy, guys.